That is brown rice mixed with some pieces of meat. It is called pilau. So I'm going to show you how to cook something like that. Prepare your cooking oil, put in the onions, prepare your carrots, prepare the green pepper and tomatoes. So chop them as you can see. Make sure that your onions turn to dark brown. And I'm going to show you a trick of how you're not supposed to those onions are not supposed to be visible in your meal. So already, if you have your meat already cooked, already boiled, so put the pieces in your onions. If you can see, the onions are already turned to dark brown. So make sure that you make your meat, your pieces of meat also turn to brown, but not dark brown. Make them a little bit crispy. Add your tomatoes and make sure that you put in enough tomatoes, because it is those tomatoes that make the onions dissolve. We do not have to see the onions in the rice. So your meal will turn to something like that. Okay, at that stage, make sure that you stir the meal until the onions dissolve in the meal or in the meat. Add in your green pepper and carrots, and they do not have to get very soft. We shall have something like that. It is dark brown. We are trying to make pilau or brown rice. Add in your rice after adding in salt, and then mix it with the meat. So your meal will have something like that. Measure the respective amount of water. You can it's advisable you use the other water that you use to boil your meat. After the water has reduced, you have something like that. It is so delicious. It is not ready yet. We are going to see how it is going to look when it is ready. Make sure that you reduce the fire and cover it very well. So after it is ready, it will look like that, very brown and looking so delicious. Of course, it was very, very delicious. That is brown rice mixed with meat. In Africa, it is liked so much because you can have it without soup. So our kids enjoyed the meal so well, and they liked it. Thank you so much.